What's up, guys? It's November 27th, 2024. I had a pretty tricky day in the markets. Had a sell off and then a pullback that never got a second leg. I got trapped around here. Let me know how the audio sounds. I've changed some settings around to make my voice a little more clear, and hopefully there's no background noise. My neighbors are kind of doing something silly. I wanted to pump this out though because I gotta go soon. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, end of the month. We have 1 day left in the year. We have 1 month left in the year. December. Hopefully we can finish it strong. Hoping everyone is profitable this month. So where are we in the markets? Rally, 50% pull back into the EMA, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bar bull channel. Today is the first bear bar, and we don't break the prior low, so we're still within this channel line. Oh wow, look at that. We are trading at the high of this previous range, put it in this leg, so the swing high, which is creating a range now depending on what happens in December. First trend line break is generally a good sell, but we're also at the top of a range, and that's generally a good first trend line break is generally a good buy. So it'll be interesting to see what happens when we break this trend line. Kind of broke it on the 45-minute chart. You can see more clear picture, but just based off the daily, we're at the swing high. So yeah, let's get into it. I think today was hard. I think every day's hard. We're just gonna become better traders. The days are never gonna actually be easier. Gap down, bar 1 is a bull bar. I was actually more bullish all the way up into bar 7 and 8. I started getting short around here. The reason I was more bullish is because, well, every sell-off has been a rally. Gap down rally, gap down rally, sell-off rally, gap up, sell-off rally, 2-day rally that one took. So today I was a little more bullish going into the open. However, at some point in time, we have to recognize the market rhythm, and the rhythm is bear to shorting bull bars. This bull bar, excuse me, this bull bar got shorted, this bull bar got shorted, this bull bar got shorted. I actually went short here, and I scalped out on this tail, and then I got short again, and I scalped out on this bar, then I got short here, and I scalped out around here. I got short again, and that's kind of where my problems went when I shorted. I can't remember if I shorted this bar or this bar. I know I was getting in and out of shorts. But this is where my problem started. When I shorted the lows, I got trapped, and then I was like, I'll get out on a retest. The retest never happened, and I was like, oh crap, you know what? We're breaking the higher time frame EMA. We're gonna rally. So then I started buying here, around here, and around here. Today, I usually take around 4 to 6 trades, and today I took 11 trades, and that all happened around here. So that's kind of where I was up 10 points, and then I got chopped for 10 points. I'm down 2 ticks, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Still finishing the month green. Hopefully you guys finish the month green as well. Gap down, bar 1, bull bar. Bar 2 is a bear bar, but we're not breaking bar 1's low. Bar 3, pull back, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. That creates the opening range. So wedge bottom, typically the wedge bottom is a triangle, so that's breakout mode. I hope you guys can hear me. I put the filters on so my voice is a little louder and there's no static in the background. I'm looking at the audio thing and it shows that I'm speaking at the right level. Let me know if you guys can hear this or if the volume's bad. I'll bump it up for next video, because someone said the volume was bad, but everyone else says it's good, so let me know. So now we have an opening range. We can draw a box around it, and then you can get short on bar 9. It breaks the opening range. However, bar 10 is a pullback, so it's a weak breakout. We have 3 bars here, and we pull back bar 10, and then we get another 3-4 bars. So micro channel, pullback, second leg. This is my setup. I don't necessarily trade breakouts. I trade in micro channels and then pullbacks, which is also a form of a breakout, but almost 1.5 hours met with 14. However, 14 sells off its climactic into the EMA. Big bull bar 15. Same rhythm is repeating itself. The 15 high gets shorted, and bears actually make 1R before bulls make 1R. So all these bull bars since even bar 1, it was just acting as a pullback. It had double top on the EMA here. So let me do that. Excuse me. Okay, here we are. 3 bar micro channel, high the pullback, 1 hour is met. I remember I scalped out on bar 12 and I shorted bar 13 because 1 hour was met really quick. Sometimes when 1 hour is met quickly, I just scalp out because it's just met really fast. The bars were irregular, so I'm. I was also thinking we were more bullish, even though we were ranging. When I saw 15, I thought we were going to trend higher and close the gap. That doesn't mean I was buying. I was waiting for price action to tell me that, and that's why I started buying around here. But 27 ended up being the swing high of the range. Where are we in the market cycle? Right on this day, we have a range, so that's the end of the market cycle. Bars 1 through 9 in the market cycle. 9 is a breakout that resets the market cycle. So now we're looking for 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, 2, pull back, leg 3. You could say leg 1, deep pull back, leg 2, deep pull back, leg 3. What happens in the third leg? We go range bound, and that's what happened here today. I just realized I was front running the breakout, and that's where all my biggest losses happened. It is what it is. I'm not gonna dwell on it. I had a profitable month. I'm really close to this payout, so I'm trying to play it slowly. I've been chasing this payout since January 2024. That's literally 1 year I thought I've been getting paid out, so I haven't yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bar micro channel. We go for 1-1. Wait for the pullback. Bar 15. Short that. 1-to-1's met on bar 19. 1.5 R's met on 32. And then again, here's another micro channel. Bars 16, 17, 18, 19. Wait for the pullback. Here's a 2-legged pullback. 20. 2-legged pullback here. 20. Pullback. 21. 27's low 2. Put at the high of the pullback. 1.5 R's not met, so that tells you bears are getting weaker. 1 R's met on bar 30. Met fairly quickly too. If you put it back here, you would still, you might get 1 R. If you put your take profit 1 tick above the whatever the heck the target. Then we have another 3-bar micro channel. Put that here. And then yeah, that fails, and then the market goes range bound. I was holding short because I thought this was some sort of 2-legged pullback. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, sell off, didn't happen. Leg 1, pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. 43 being the wedge top. Saw it didn't happen, and I hit out on 44. I was trapped. I took a loss there, and then I waited a little bit. I was like, okay, we have this micro channel, we have this micro channel, we have this micro channel. So I started buying around here, and I actually think I reversed short and then reversed long again and got trapped, and then I tried one more short and I was over it. So where are we? We have a sell-off, then we have a rally, which it ends up being a pullback because the bulls never took out the 27 high. Let's go over the trades for the day, and I'll draw on the gaps, and then you guys can go have a great Thanksgiving. We're all gonna have a great Thanksgiving. So this is a form of a trade. Breakout of the morning range. That's not what I look at, but that's there. This is my bread and butter right here. 3 bars, pull back, short bar 10, go for 1.5 R. 4 bars here, short 15, 1 R is met. 4 bars 16, 17, 18, 19. Short the high of 26, short the low 27. So depending on how you want to short, nothing wrong with either one. You gotta know what you're getting yourself into if you're gonna short 26, because it could keep going, but that's a mean reversion trade. So 24, 25 is a pullback. So wedge bottom in a bear trend. It got a bearish breakout. You could also try and scalp here, which is why I was actually going for a swing, because I misread the market when we broke out 26, 27, 28, 29. I thought that was resetting the market cycle, so I was willing to hold for a swing. That's kind of where I went wrong. I'll be thinking about that next month. 3 bull bar micro channel did not take that, but 1.5 R was also not met, so that tells you something about the strength of the bulls. Another 3 bar micro channel, deep pullback, 47, 48. It's not met. 1 R is met, but we go sideways for the rest of the day. Here is another bear micro channel, 3 bear bars, short the pullback. 1 R is met, and then there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades today. Possibly 8 trades. You know, you can't take all of the trades because you'd be in some of them as the other ones are setting up. But you could. I'm not doing this yet, but I am trying to learn how to run it. So let's say I'm in here. I short this high, and then I see this channel 11, 12, 13, 14 strong enough for its own second leg, rather than getting out, which I still would have got out if I saw 15 turn up. Hopefully I would have got out. I would just make my new target here and run it down here. Then I see that this bar is a strong micro channel, and then I get, you know what I'm saying? I try and keep running it on and on and on. It's challenging. I've tried that in the past and it's messed up my gains, so I'm refraining from it. I've reduced my position size to, I want to work on my entries. So yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know how you did. Some of you let me know intraday how you were doing. Trader Chick, I hope you did well. Hope you finished the day green. I think he told me around here where you were at. We had a couple legs lower, but yeah, I didn't finish the day green. I finished the day minus 2 ticks. If I didn't have to pay commissions, I would have been green. That's funny, but it is what it is. I overtraded. I averaged about 5 to 6 trades, and I took 11 trades today. So yeah, I could have done a lot of things differently, but I'm not gonna dwell on it. I'm just gonna keep looking forward, keep draining the system. Hope you guys have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving. If you learned something, share the show. Let me know how you guys did. I'd love to hear your trades. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.